I hope you're ready for the upcoming part. It's a side lying exercise in which we're going to focus on the outer thigh, and we have lots of core activation also coming up. So let's lay down on your side using the lower arm as a pillow. And now make sure you bend the legs into round about a 90-degree angle, and to bring your ankles, hips and shoulders into one line. So we want to rebuild the spine parallel to the floor. So slightly create that so-called waist tunnel by lifting through the lower waist. So both waistlines are equal long. Powerhouse is engaged here. Inhale into the ribcage. Exhale, belly button in and up. Focus on the upper knee, inhale. And exhale, we're going to start with a side leg frog. So just external rotation here of your upper leg. Inhale to drop it down. All right, keeping the heels together. Press the heels strongly together. This will activate your inner thighs. Your inner thighs will stabilize your pelvic floor. If you want more, you can lift the lower legs, flexing the feet, and then you have a wonderful frog position here. Rolling your upper shoulder back and down. Imagine now there's a cup of coffee or tea or whatever you like. You're standing on the hip. Yeah, and you don't want to flip the coffee to the back. Yeah, so keeping the pelvis stable now. Let's go for 4 more rounds in your option. Keeping the lower leg grounded or the lower leg lifted. Check with your fingers that the waist tunnel is alive. Always having some space here. Okay. Let's progress. Exhale, frog position. Inhale, extend the leg forwards. Bring it back, heels pressing together, and lower the upper knee. Yeah, you can also do this here. Inhale, extend the leg as vertical as you can. Yeah, the goal is not to move the hips, so we can't extend the leg directly up to the ceiling. Yeah, otherwise our upper hip needs to roll back. So we need to focus on extending the leg a little bit diagonally up towards the ceiling. Okay? Depending on your individual hip mobility, let's go for 3 more. Exhale, open into the frog. Inhale, extend the leg, point the foot. Flex, press the heels together, and return. So we have lots of core work, lots of outer thigh and glute work. With the next inhale, keep the leg long. Exhale, flex and lower the leg. Inhale, point and lift. 7 more. And 6. Yeah, you can also drop the lower leg and press the lower leg firmly into the floor. Whew. Leg becomes heavy now. Whew. Last 2. Get the power here from the powerhouse. Last one. Hold it high. Check that your cup is still here and pulse for 8, 7, 6. Breathe, breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Ooh, if you're joining me here today for the full class, we did already a little glute and outer thigh activation before, so that burn was real. Okay. Also, when you're just here for this outer thigh part, the burn was also here. Okay, we're gonna press all the way up and we're gonna go for a little Cleopatra move. So your legs are still stacked, ankles, hips and shoulder or wrist is in one line. And then from here, we're going to bring the upper hand here towards the feet, squeezing the legs together, zipping everything in and up with the inner thighs and the pelvic floor, shoulder down. And then as you exhale, you lift the pelvis up, looking to your lower hand, to the ground, and inhale to return, shoulder down. Exhale, squeezing in and up through the inner thighs. And inhale to return. All right. Also moving your head, so you're looking down to the ground. So we have a little spinal rotation in your cervical and thoracic spine, and then looking to your feet. Got that? Let's go. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. We're gonna go for 4 more rounds here. Creating that nice bow shape here in the upper body. Spreading your fingers, press the fingertips firmly into the ground. Okay, final one. Squeeze the thighs consciously together, feeling those inner thighs lifting you up. And then lower down. Good work. From here, we're just flipping the legs over, whoop, to the other side. Okay. Yeah, outer thigh and inner thigh activation. Here in Cleopatra, we want to engage the inner thighs to stabilize our pelvic floor, and then get your upper hand towards your feet. So we have already a little spiral dynamic in our body. Breathe into the side of your ribcage. Exhale through pursed lips whenever you're ready, lifting the pelvis, looking down to the ground. And inhale to return. The challenge here is not to sink into your shoulder. Yeah, make sure the hand is not too far away. So we want to bring the shoulder roundabout above your wrist. Yeah, but also not too narrow, otherwise your shoulder might lift up. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Imagine squeezing an orange between your thighs. Press it out and then you lift. 2 more. Follow your breath. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. Final one. And then drop the side hip down, lower onto your arm. Make sure the knees are in front of you. Ankles, hips, and arm with the spine are in one line. Get back to that waist tunnel. Lifting through the lower waist. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, side leg frog. Drop it down. And move in full range of motion. So external rotation as much as you can. Keep the heels together. Okay, and maybe that's the variation you want to choose. Maybe you want to progress, then lifting the lower legs, flex the feet, and let's find that full frog. All right, checking also the body parts that aren't moving right now. The shoulders, for example, stacking them above each other, thinking about that cup of tea, coffee, whatever it is, standing on your upper pelvis here. So it's not only glute and outer thigh work, it's also coming from here, from your powerhouse. Okay, outer thighs, opening that leg, squeezing the heels will give the inner thighs that work. Let's progress. So we're gonna open, exhale. We're gonna extend, inhale. Flex, connecting the heels. And bring it down. Also possible here. Yeah, again, think of your individual anatomy. You can't lift the leg directly vertical to the floor. Yeah, just find that position, external rotation as much as you can, and then the knee is pointing the direction of the leg extension. Ooh, burn is already here today in my legs. Ooh, let's go for 3 more. Relax the shoulder. Ooh, there's some fire here. Can you feel some fire too already? Okay, we keep the leg long. We flex to lower. We lift to point. 7 more. And 6. Check your pelvis. Last 4. Last 3. Last 2. And then hold it high. Whoop. And pulse. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ooh, party going on here in my outer thigh. 2, 1, and drop. Ooh, relax the outer thigh. Good work here. So find your way up into seated position. Ooh,